You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 13/4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply the fractions. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is m equals 13/4.